In this video, I'm going to show you how to create text that can move in a circle or move around a custom line that you create inside of After Effects. So let's get into it. Once you hop into After Effects, create a new composition and hit T to grab the type tool and type whatever you want. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the word text and I'm going to use a clean bold font so you can see it clearly. Step 2 is to draw a mask directly on the layer. Make sure your text layer is selected in your timeline. Now grab the pen tool and draw the path you would like your text to follow. Step 3 is to set your path option. With your text layer selected, twirl open the text in the timeline, then go to Path Options. You'll see a drop-down menu that says None next to Path. Click it and select Mask 1. Your text should immediately snap to the path you drew. And then step 4 is now to control the position on top of the path. Under Path Option, you have 3 sliders that matter. First margin moves the text along the path. Perpendicular to the path keeps each text rotated following the curve. And force alignment spaces the text out evenly around the full path. If the text is on the wrong side of your path, turn on reverse paths in the properties and that will flip to the other side. To move your text along the path, go to the start of your timeline and move the first margin property until your text is all the way off screen or to a point that you want your text to start. Then hit the stopwatch button on the first margin and then move about 5 seconds forward in your timeline and move the first margin property until it travels the distance you want or completely off the screen. Then highlight both keyframes, hit F9, then you should have this text that moves along your custom path that you've just made. And that's it. It's pretty easy to make a custom path and then attach your text to it. If you learned something, make sure to subscribe. And if you're a creator yourself, make sure to check out the link in my description and upload all of your old project files to creatorrestock.com so you can earn some passive income once the site goes live. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.